Well, just in case you didn't know it, there's only one shopping day left until Valentine's Day, guys. And if you're still looking for that perfect gift, perfume is always a classic choice. Thanks to technology, more and more people are turning to the internet to buy their favorite fragrance. In fact, cyber sales in the perfume business have skyrocketed over the past year. Garrett Glazer joins us now with a look at the #1 online perfume store. Hi, Garrett.
You always smell good, so I want to know what kind of fragrance you wear. But anyway, when you think of hot internet companies, what comes to mind? Hip young execs, cutting-edge workplaces. Tonight we're going to introduce you to FragranceCounter.com. It's an internet company that combines the old world and the new in a very successful mix.
Say hello to the top executives at the #1 online website for perfume sales. Victor Jacobs and his sons run Alou, a company that distributes health and beauty aids. The firm branched out into selling perfumes online back in 1995. The COO of the company, Eli Katz, made the initial deal with AOL.
After calling him for months, they found, all right, you're bugging us so much, you can sell online.
The company soon started its own website, FragranceCounter.com, and quickly locked up some strategic marketing agreements with Yahoo, Excite, and Microsoft.
You need location, 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 and that's what we've got.
But that rule only applies to their website. When it comes to the location of their offices, they're happy to settle for a gritty industrial park on Long Island, New York. This no-frills approach is in keeping with the Jacobs family's religious beliefs. They belong to an ultra-Orthodox Jewish sect. But being traditional doesn't mean being outdated.
Everything what God made in this world was made to be used, and you have to use it in the right way. And we're talking about the internet. If we could do it to do business in it, and that's what we're going to do.
And have they ever? Sales at FragranceCounter.com are up 400% during the past year. Revenues last quarter hit $1.5 million. But since there's no scratch and sniff technology on the internet, how successful can perfume sales be? Very, according to the company, since most shoppers consistently buy the same product or buy on a recommendation.
85% of the market is game for buying fragrances online.
Fragrance Counter charges the same prices as department stores. The company says its selling points are convenience, product selection, and free shipping. And Alou is also branching out from just perfumes. They've started a sister site, CosmeticsCounter.com.
The market for fragrances and cosmetics in the United States is $19 billion. Think about if you can get 5% of that market. That smells good.
There are other online sites for buying perfume, but Fragrance Counter got a 3-year head start on them. They like to think of themselves as the Amazon.com of perfume. Yet other investors don't seem to view them that way. Alou's stock price sank from over $15 to under $4 last year. It has since recovered, but the executives are still frustrated.
Just based on the value as a internet company, it should be double the value than it's now, or even more.
We get no respect. We're the Rodney Dangerfield of internet stocks, and obviously, that's something we hope to change in the very near future.
So should investors smell an IPO spin-off of FragranceCounter.com in the future?
I think we'd be remiss if we wouldn't be considering that.
Well, we should point out that there's currently no analyst coverage of Alou or FragranceCounter.com, so independent analysis of the company is limited. Jacobs family owns about 1/5 of the outstanding shares. That leaves about $4.5 million available to investors. And Alou closed today up 1 1/8 at 11 5/16.